Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete color correction from multiple clips in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you've applied color grading to several clips but need to start fresh or remove unwanted corrections quickly. Let's start by opening your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches, you'll see your project interface with various workspace tabs at the bottom of your screen. Look for the tab labeled Edit and click on it. This takes you into the editing workspace where you can manage your timeline and clips effectively. Now, before we can remove any color correction, we need to select the clips we want to work with. There are two straightforward ways to do this. The first method is to click and drag your mouse across the clips on your timeline to highlight them all at once. This works great when the clips are positioned next to each other. Alternatively, if your clips are scattered throughout the timeline, you can select them individually by clicking on the first clip, then holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each additional clip you want to include. This gives you precise control over which clips will have their color correction removed. With your clips now selected, the next step is to access the Attributes menu. Right-click on any of the selected clips. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, locate and click on Remove Attributes. This feature is specifically designed to strip away various effects and adjustments from your clips, and it's exactly what we need for removing color corrections. A dialog box will now appear showing you different attributes that can be removed from your selected clips. Look through the list until you find color correction. Once you've located it, check the checkbox next to it. This tells DaVinci Resolve that you want to remove all color grading and correction data from these clips. You might notice other options in this dialog, but for now, we're only focused on the color correction element. Finally, to complete the process, click the Apply button at the bottom of the dialog box. DaVinci Resolve will now remove all color correction from every clip you selected. The clips will revert to their original uncorrected state, giving you a clean slate to work with. And that's it. You've successfully removed color correction from multiple clips in DaVinci Resolve, saving yourself the time of doing it individually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.